The angle of the rotating shaft can be adjusted and it can be fixed by screws at the bottom. Install a clip onto the spring to facilitate spring adjustment. Install the claws and hold the ring. Adjust the direction of spring, and the claws can clamp the ring. Adjust the distance between the lens and the ring, according to focus length. If your machine is equipped with a red light focus function, then you only need to use red light to determine the focus. Import the file and process it using Rodity Marking 2.